Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress. And today we're going to speak about why you don't have what you want in your money, business, or lifestyle. Now, this message is actually inspired by a few traits that I have seen in people lately. So, this is the difference between my clients who actually become my clients and those who tend to sign up for my workshop or my webinar, which are free, on how to turn your business into a money machine and create a deeply fulfilling lifestyle so that you can travel, work, and play on your terms. Okay, so that is the basis of the work that I do in the energetic realm and helping you to create a lifestyle that is truly and deeply meaningful to you. So I've noticed a few traits in those who actually work with me and go on to create amazing lifestyles and grow their businesses versus those who actually don't. Okay, so if you are wondering why you don't have what you want when it comes to your money, your business, or your lifestyle, there is one really big key trait or characteristic that you may be missing, or that you're not even aware that you're actually practicing because of a few beliefs that you may have. So if you fall into this, or if you, look, no one need know where you fall short. But if you truly want to be successful in this life, if you truly want to either start a business that is deeply fulfilling and allows you to create a lifestyle that is beautiful and meaningful to you, so that you can look after yourself, your family, and your future, whatever those goals may be for you. Or if you already have a business and you want to grow and scale it in a way that is actually allowing you to live the lifestyle that you want, instead of it being pretty much like a hamster in a wheel. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from, whether you're starting a business, thinking of starting a business, or whether you're already in business and you're trying to create your lifestyle. Whatever it may be, when it comes to money, business, and lifestyle, if what I'm speaking, you may not like it, if you resonate with it and you are guilty of these actions or these beliefs, then I would strongly suggest that you work on it, because this is what is stopping you from having what you want in life. Okay? Period. All right, here we go. So the biggest trait that I see people have that don't have what they want in terms of money, business, and lifestyle is commitment to their vision and their goal. So if this is you, or you know of someone, then please pass this message on to them, because we are living in this message, I am going to give you some of the ways in which you are sabotaging yourself, and then I'm also going to give you a few tips on how you can help yourself. Okay, so stay with me. Don't just turn off because I go off on a tangent, or because you think it's not important. If you don't have what you want when it comes to money, business, or lifestyle, please listen to the end of this message. It will be the best thing you ever did. And listen to this message multiple times, because you will register certain things that will only come into your consciousness because you're ready. Okay, so if you're not ready for a certain few things, some things that I say will not register with you, but it will on your second and third listening. Okay, here we go. We are living in a world where it has never been more important to have your own independence and freedom, okay? Because there are so many people who are out of jobs, so many businesses that are going down the drain. And yet in this period of so much crisis and unrest, there are those who are thriving, okay? So it is really up to you. You make the choice whether you want to thrive or whether you actually want to perpetuate any type of crisis that is going on in your life. Nobody else is responsible, you are. Okay, so now here's how the commitment factor comes in. This is what I see in people. If you are truly committed to whatever the goal may be, if you are truly committed to creating a lifestyle that is amazing for you, if you are truly committed to either building a business, starting a business, or growing your business, you are going to be committed to that vision. And when you do something, you are all in. You're not a little bit in. You're not a part way in. You are all in. And I'm telling you this because I notice this in people who actually seem to achieve their goals seamlessly, and it seems easy for them, and it doesn't matter how big or audacious their goals are, okay? And I'm not saying this to be arrogant or to rub it in your face, but I am one of those people. I set the most massive, scariest, audacious goals that I can think of, and I always achieve them. And those who know me and my clients know that I do this, okay? And I speak about this. I speak about things I have achieved, and I have even bigger, more huge, more grander visions for my life. And I always will, because that is who you are. You're a human being that is meant to experience the expansion of life, everything as big as you want to go. Okay, so when you are not committed to your goal or your business or to creating your lifestyle, whatever it is that you do, you are not going to complete all of it. So one of the things that I've noticed is that those who subscribe to my How to Travel, Work and Play workshop, or my webinar on how to turn your business into a money machine, I find that those who are not truly committed to what they're saying that they actually want to do in terms of their money, business, or lifestyle, either they don't finish the entire thing and really delve into it straight away, or they listen to it and they just leave it. They don't get the sound tools that I offer, or they will say something like, oh, I didn't have the time, when I actually have specifically in the workshop to do with creating your lifestyle. I actually say, make sure that you have at least 30 minutes set aside and you allocate that time and commit to this workshop if you actually want to create something. When I hear people say they didn't have the time, or they couldn't make the time, or they're going to do it soon, to me, that is not commitment, okay? That is not commitment. And that is one of the first things. When you can't make the time to commit to something that can help you, and you've opted to actually invest in that or download that for yourself, that is not commitment. Because I can tell you right now, those who are committed, those who do go on to make amazing successes of themselves, and this includes me, when I commit to something, when I say that I want to do something, I want to achieve a certain goal, I'm all in. If I'm going to do something, I do it. If I say I'm going to do something, I do it. And if I say that I want to achieve something, I achieve it. But how I actually do it is, say for example, I go, okay, I need this. So I actually invest in it and spend time in it and spend money on it. I am going to put all of my effort into it and squeeze every ounce of inspiration, squeeze every ounce of wisdom and learning that I can get out of it. And then I go ahead and implement it, whether it's in my business or to create my lifestyle or to increase the amount of money I earn, whatever it is, okay? And I'm only speaking on the topics of money, business, and lifestyle because that's what my work is about, and that is where my passion lies, and that is how I help people. So, but it applies to every area of your life, whether it is your relationship, whether it is your health, it doesn't matter. I've helped clients with every area of their life, and it applies to every area of your life, your mental fitness, everything. If you are not committed in one thing, you will find you're not committed in other areas of your life, okay? So whatever you do, if you are this person, then make sure that when you decide to do something, then carry it out, finish it. Don't be a starter that doesn't finish anything. Because if that's what you find yourself doing, then stop doing so many things and only commit or do something that you definitely intend on finishing. Do you understand? So that is one of the biggest things that you can do in order to have the same energetics that someone who is successful and achieves their goals and does what they say they're going to do, how they seem to do it effortlessly is because you may be doing 5 things, but you're not committed to any of it, okay? So you may have downloaded a workshop, you may have bought a book, you may have decided to invest in a course, you may have decided that you're going to create this product or this service for your business, but you're halfway between all of those. You're not actually all in on any of them. Do you understand that? And if that's what you're doing with your business or trying to create your lifestyle or whatever, that is what you're doing in your entire life. And I can tell you right now, that is the furthest imprint for a successful anything. So heed my words. And if this is you starting today, stop doing the 5 things. Just focus on the one thing, commit to one thing and do one thing. So forget about buying the book and the workshop and the course and trying to create your product or service all at the same time. Just do one thing and go all in on it. Don't be wishy-washy. Don't be someone who goes to the middle of the thing and doesn't run the rest of the way. It's pointless living life like that. This is your life. You have one chance at it. You might as well make it a masterpiece. And the other quality, I only want to speak about 2 of the qualities, and I'm seeing this a lot lately, and I just wanted to address it. First, and I've spoken about the second quality before. First one is lack of commitment, okay? If you don't have a commitment, and really if you're not committing to yourself, then you're not going to commit to your business, your relationship, your health, your goals, your money. It doesn't matter. If you cannot commit, you cannot finish, and therefore you cannot be the type of success that you say you're going to be, okay? What I'm saying is I'm seeing an energetic mismatch in people who say they want something or they want to achieve something or they want to do something, but the energetics behind their desire is not matched by their commitment, and therefore their desire and they will never actually eventuate. Does that make sense? Okay, so don't let that be you. If that is you, then do what I just said. The second trait that I see successful people not having, but people who say they want something but don't have what they want in their life, this is the trait they have. It's the addiction to freebies, okay? So if you believe that you're going to build your business or increase your money flow or create your lifestyle purely on everything free that you can get on the internet, in videos, in free this, free that, free workshops, free webinars, free courses, free books, free whatever, the energetics behind that, and this I've spoken about before, is that when you say to the energetic realm, the universe, the multiverse, I want something free, and then you're also saying you want to make more money and you want to make your business grow and you want to create a certain lifestyle because a lifestyle needs money to fund it, you're actually sending the message by consuming free things, by saying that you energetically do not need the currency of money. Do you understand what you're doing? You are actually repelling money when you are only consuming free things. I have no qualms about it. Why do you think I have a free workshop and a free webinar? Because I want you to taste what my work feels like. But then you have to invest. Okay, I do this all the time. It doesn't matter. If I like someone's something, I will buy it. If so say for example, I want a Chanel bag or a Dior bag, okay. And then so I see a photo of it, oh, I love it. So I go into the store, I touch and feel it, I'm like, oh, I love this, okay. So that's my freeness, okay. I have consumed something for free. Now, I don't then walk out of the store and go and buy a cheap knockoff that looks like a Dior bag. I don't do that. I will either go to the store and then ask them for the actual make and model and save up for it, or I will buy it on the spot, okay? So either I go in there with the intention of I am going to consume it free in terms of touching and feeling, make sure that I actually like what I'm desiring, and I want to invest in it because it is a few $1,000s. It is not like a $2 investment. And I also believe in investing in myself and investing in companies and brands, so that by doing that, I then send the message out energetically that if I am investing in myself and in other people and brands and companies that I believe in every part of my life, then, so I actually invest in quality. It's not quantity for me, okay? So if I buy something, I buy the best of something. I've always done this. And if I am doing something, I don't do a DIY. I will pay for the person who has the expertise. So if I want to paint a house, I don't actually DIY painting a house. I will hire the best painting experts to actually do the work, because I believe that by honoring the expertise of others, then I honor myself, okay? And therefore, what do you think happens? My business and my revenue and my clients' transformations increase, okay? So that is how, if you are addicted to free things, or you believe that you're going to build your business or increase your business or start your business based on everything free, you have to change that. Because you can't send two contrasting messages out into the universe and expect that to actually come back to you. That is like getting into a cab or a taxi and saying to the driver, take me to the city, take me to the country. The person's actually going to stay there and say, excuse me, or say you're in an Uber. They're going to say, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to hop out of the car because you're going to have to make up your mind. You're asking me to go left and you're asking me to go right, but you need to choose one direction, okay? So that's a little bit like that when you say, I want everything for free, but then I also want to make more money. I also want to start a business. I also want to grow my business. I also want a lifestyle, and I want to be able to fund this beautiful lifestyle. You can't do that because you actually want everything for free. So if you want everything for free, you have no purpose for your money. Therefore, your money will not be attracted or magnetized to you. I hope you get that. Okay, so I hope that this has been helpful. And if you are really serious about, if you are serious about achieving your goals and living life on your terms and turning your business into a money machine and creating a lifestyle that is so deeply fulfilling for you, and you're ready to invest in yourself and do the work, and you want to create your unique strategy in 90 days, then my work is designed for you. However, here's when my work is not for you, okay? If you want to waste precious time and years in figuring it out all on your own, or you're looking for free solutions, then my work is not for you, okay? So if you want to go ahead and create this amazing masterpiece of a life, I look forward to welcoming you, and please visit me at soulenchantress.com. Joyous blessings.